FURD Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, is a high-tech enterprise of research, production and sales, established in 2008, and covers an area of 30,000 square meters production workshop. It has R&D center, cutting workshop, welding workshop, spraying workshop, assembly workshop, QC testing center, parts warehouse, finished product warehouse, sales department, after-sales service department, and showroom. FURD mainly produce small ride-on road rollers, walk-behind double-dram road rollers, walk-behind single-dram road rollers, concrete laser screed, mobile light tower, and road track sealing machines. FURD has passed National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Certification, ISO 1400 Environmental Products, have CE certification, and SGS, and BV, approved factory checking reports. The engines for FURD machines have Euro 5 and EPA, emission meet EU, and USA standard. More than 10 years hard working, FURD has gradually become a well-known brand, and its products are exported to worldwide, including Russia, United States, Australia, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, the Middle East, Europe and more than 50 countries and regions. Innovation is soul of enterprise progress. FURD has a professional R&D team and obtained 27 national invention patents, advanced production equipments, and superb production technology guarantee high-efficient production of enterprise. FURD has high-precision laser cutting machine, plasma cutting machines, CNC boring machines, CNC bending machines, robot welding equipments, and first-class painting spray production workshop, can meet customers' customization products requirements. Now, FURD has 4 assembly production lines: road roller production line, laser screed production line, light tower production line, and road repair equipments production line. More than 200 professional production workers, the monthly output reaches 300 units, can undertake large orders, and guarantee delivery time on time. FURD also has machines in stock to meet customers' urgent orders. Quality is life of enterprise. QC Testing Center strictly controls the every part accuracy and the quality of finished product. All finished products have passed 6 strict tests. Serving customers attentively is purpose of enterprise. FURD has a professional sales team and after-sales service team to provide each customer with 1-to-1, 7x24-hour service. Honesty is foundation of enterprise's survival. FURD always adheres to the business philosophy of people-oriented, quality first, market change, honesty never change. Sincerely looks forward to cooperate with you to create a better future.